and today I'm going to be showing you how to make Play-Doh, basically, in home. Not buy Play-Doh. Don't buy Play-Doh. It might be coronavirus time. It might be corona. So all you need is cornstarch, hair conditioner, and tell me the name? Exactly. Food coloring. So, and all you need is 1 scoop of cornstarch, and then 1 scoop of, you know what, / hair conditioner. And once you do that, you're ready. So all you gotta do, pick this up. Oh, put it in. Get it. All you gotta do, slap the bottom and it's gonna go up. Yay! And now, we're gonna go to here. We're gonna put this in. You might wanna need a spoon, like this. And pour it out like milk, and butter, and milk, and butter, and milk. Make sure you have a mom with you. I am highly good at it, so I don't need a mother. Okay, just kidding. I need it, but I already know how to do it. So let's go and put it in. Once you do that, go like this. Grab your food coloring and open it up. Okay? Make sure you mix it first. So let's do that. Listen, guys. Okay. Let's go like this. Let's open it up. It's very tiny. It's cute. But don't squeeze it into the camera. You might not see. Okay. And then go boop. 1 tiny drop. The drop bounced. But once you do that, put another one away from it, and then boom. Now, you're going to want to close your thingy. After this video, I'm going to make a piggy video. So be ready for it. So now, all you got to do is mix it with the spoon. Okay? So then, you got to, eventually it's gonna, hey guys, it's me. And basically, once you finish it, this is what comes up. And by the way, if it's soft, add a little bit extra of this. And if it's hard, put a little bit of this, okay? So this is the finishing touch. Let's pick it out of the ball. And, it's sticking to the ball. Sorry, I'm so sorry. It's the balls, not me. Get off, please. I'm making a video. Okay, good. So this is the finishing touch. Dun, 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 dun. It's basically just Play-Doh. Don't buy the ones outside. Corona time. You know it. Make sure you leave a like and subscribe. And watch Mina OMG videos. She's going to make a lot of fun videos.